Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Francis Labang, the remote office mate. On the previous video, we already transferred all the liability account. Now, for today's video, is all about equity or capital account. Let's go down. This one. And in the previous video, I explained to you why we are not balanced here in the QuickBooks equity account versus here in the trial balance. It's here in the trial balance is 11,254,000, while here in QuickBooks it's 11,264,000. And this is because that we made already the adjusting entry for the investment in bond. And the difference for it is this one, 13,527. Let's copy this one, paste it here, and paste it here. And I decided that I should follow the total balance here in the trial balance. So let's go to the journal entry which I made in advance for this 13,000, the adjusting entry of the investment in bond to change the date. So let's go there. Click here, journal entry. Then here, I believe in the journal entry 2, this one. There you go, this one, 13,000. And I should date this October instead of September. Here in the computation, the balance as of March 15, 2021, it's 984,000, which is correct here in the balance sheet. This one. Yeah, it's balance. But I should date here in the journal entry October so that I can get the total balance of equity account equal to trial balance. This one, 11,254,000. So I will date this October 1 instead of September. Then I will save this one, save and close. There you go. And let's go to trial balance and refresh. Let's go down. Let's check first here in the investment in bond. The investment in bond is now equal. And in the total of equity account, here in QuickBooks, it's 11,254,000, which is equal here in the trial balance. Now let's do the adjusting entry for this so that we can get the correct amount of owner's capital, which is the 7 million, and the retaining earning of 3 million. So let's go down first. And then let's copy first this one, owner's capital. Paste it here. And also the retaining earnings. And this one, let's click here. It's service. And the amount, let's copy also the amount. Retaining earning and the service. There you go. This is QuickBook. And here, this is the book balance. While here, this is the QuickBook balance. Now let's get the balance for this one. There you go. And we will get the difference. There you go. Since this is the amount should be reflect here in the QuickBook, and the QuickBook is greater than the book balance. So let's debit this one. And here, let's credit this one. And also this one, it's debit. So we should come up with a zero balance. There you go, zero balance, because these two are equal. So let's go to the journal entry. Journal entry, then and we will date this September 29, 2021. Then here is the capital account, owner's capital, then retaining earning, and services. And the amounts, this one, debit, and also this one is the credit. Let's remove the negative sign. And here also the amount for services. Then let's type here adjusting entry for opening balance. Let's copy paste this one, paste it here, and also here. Let's check the balance. It's 3,422,000. Yeah, it's correct. Now let's save this one. Save and close. There you go. Let's go to trial balance. The moment of truth. Let's go down. There you go. There you go. The balance is 7 million. Yes, it's correct. 350,345. Yes, correct. And the total amount is, yeah, 11 million to repay. Yeah, yeah. Now we're done in the equity and we're done transferring all the balance from here in the trial balance in Excel to QuickBook. So that's it. For our next video, it will be the phase 2 for this series of videos. The cleanup or the adjusting entry, this one, in this column. And for the journal entry for all this amount are here in the cleanup tab, this one. So that's it for today's video. I will end this video again. If you learned something from it, kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends who wants to learn bookkeeping, especially QuickBooks, and hit the notification so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video about adjusting entry. So goodbye.